Not really.
Mom, we'll go play in the ball pit.
They don't have one.
Really?
No.
He's over there.
Yeah, they don't have a ball pit.
They used to have a little ball pit.
No.
They never did.
No. Not that I remember. They got rid of the little kids area too.
I thought Chuck E. Cheese was for little kids.
No, but they had like a little baby section.
Oh.
And they got rid of that. Yeah, like they redid the whole thing. It was closed down for like a month.
Now they got like snake pits and
Yeah. They got snake pits for 5-year-olds. Trying to figure out how to make eggs.
you like them cookie or
What?
you like them real cooked or not?
No.
Cookio?
Yeah.
That I can do. The other one.